Hey guys, so how to become eligible here at Dapp Token airdrop? So all you do is just put that link on the Dapp section on your Trust wallet. Then make sure it's Ethereum network. Connect your wallet, and you will see that you'll be eligible. Then hit next, and make sure you're not from the United States or in North Korea, Iran, and Simon Islands. Okay. Then agree. Then hit claim. Now this will not go through because it need gas. So we already did this and put some ETH on the wallet in order to trade this Radar coin. Now you can swap this via sushi app.sushi.com, and the prices is changing, and of course it's cryptocurrency. As you can see here, a couple of screenshots. Now let's talk about the eligibility. So I will provide this link on the description. So this claiming period of free airdrop of dApps is launched. Actually, it will be there. You go. It will be available until March 14, 2022. It says here, and this is executed, or all calculation will be done last October 19, 2021 UTC time or Europe time. So here's the eligibility. Why you didn't get um, let me do some samples. Why you're not eligible. So here's the one of the wallet sample, other Ethereum wallet I have. So as you can see, in order to become eligible, you need to sign up on a DApp wallet or platform and execute this before October 19. Here, at least one DApp using Ethereum network in the last 6 months, and this one 10 dApps. Let me explain that more later. Hold on. Here, so user have a registered account on a DApp wallet, all right, with connected Ethereum wallet, at least one DApp in the last 6 months, and the other one, which is the bigger dApps, 10 dApps in your wallet. Okay, again, it should be on a DappRadar wallet that you will connect your MetaMask. Now, how to claim this is I already show it to you in how to sell it to sushi. Okay, so I will provide this link anyway, so you can read it, 10 times in order for you to understand. But basically, that's it. So you don't need. You're not eligible if you're in this area, United States, North Korea, Iran, and Simon Islands. Why? Because there's some regulation in those states or in those countries. All right. So you don't have to worry about it because you can still participate. Give me a second here. To their another token airdrop or giveaways. So on this time, you need to use Trust Wallet. So all you do is just go to dApps and tap this link. So DappRadar.com /hub /airdrop /62. Then you need to connect this on the Binance. This icon right here, you need to change that to Smart Chain, and connect your wallet. So I click MetaMask, then connect. Now already done this on my laptop. So you need to log into the wallet, okay? Hold on. There you go. So, there you go. So you're on the list. So they're giving away a $5 baby token per winner. So it will end in 4 days as we speak, December 13th. So let's check out dApps on CoinGecko. It's down 13% from yesterday. So this coin is available on MEX Global Exchange, SushiSwap, Hobby Global, Uniswap, BKEX exchanges. So this is a pretty new listed token on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So do your own research before investing or speculate on this cryptocurrency. Only invest in something that you can afford to lose. Use your play money. Don't use your hard-earned money or serious money. And I'll see you again on the next token airdrop. Peace.